Please subscribe and press the bell icon for more content.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make pamphlet design in Microsoft Word. You can see here I am using Microsoft Word 2016 version and you can easily make any version your Microsoft Word. First of all, go to the layout. You can see and zoom it here. This is our layout option is here and simply click it and go to the margin and click on this the narrow. Simply I zoom it here. You can see here narrow option is here and click it. Then go to the size and choose the more paper size. You can see here more paper size. You can see size or more paper size here and click it. You can see here open its page setup option is here and simply I zoom it here like this. You can see and simply make a size is 5.47 inches, 5.84 inches, or height is 8.26 inches. You can see just like this 5.84 or 8.6226 inches. You can see this exactly A4 size is half here and click it OK. You can see here simply our page is ready for design now here and simply make a design on your page and I go to the insert and I choose the shapes. You can see here and I'm using, you can see click on this shapes and I'm using this rectangle shapes here and click it rectangle shapes. You can see here and draw this rectangle shapes something like this. You can see maybe like this here and click it this format. You can see here this is our format option is here. You can see I zoom it here and click on this the edit shapes option. You can see this is edit shapes option and click it this the edit point. You can see here this is our point option is here. This option you can see I zoom it here and this option you can see I zoom it here and this option is you can see I zoom it here and this is option is here. You can see here just like this and simple click on this the middle option is here. You can see here is a pointer option is here. I zoom it here. You can see here just our pointer option is here and simple I right click here and click on this the add point. You can see this is add point option is here and you can see here is an option and this option is here and simply I click on this point. You can see not this and this, simply I click on this point and little bit down it here maybe like this. You can see and simply I zoom out here and little bit right side drag it here maybe like this and simply I little bit up here maybe like this. You can see here just like this and simply this is little bit our down it here like this and little bit maybe down it here. You can see just like this and simple click on this the outside. You can see and go to the format and click on this the shape fill color whatever you want the color is here and simply I go to the shape outline color. I zoom it here and make it no outline on this color here. You can see just like this and click on this the format and click on this the shape fill and choose the pictures whatever you want is the shapes pictures in here and simply I go to the pictures and I choose the pictures. I simply download it from the Google here. You can see this is our option it's here. This logo is I made it here and simply I choose this one images on here and click on this insert. You can see here and you can see just like this our pictures is here and simply I make a controller command Z undo it here and simply I duplicate these shapes. Press controller command D and change the color whatever you want use the color and simply I choose the red color maybe like this and simply I go to the send backward option is here. You can see and this is this shapes over the background is here and little bit drag it here and maybe like this and click on this edit point. You can see and this point is little bit up here like this. You can see just like this. The right side is here over the area. I made it this side. You can see here just like this is here. Maybe a little bit increase the height, and this also increase the height here. Maybe this also right side increase here, and this also right side increase here. Maybe like this. You can see just like this, and click on these shapes and go to the format and shape fill, same option, choose the pictures and work offline, and simply I click on this pictures, whatever you want. This one pictures also take here, and simply I choose this one pictures like this. And you can see here is a two format option is here, and simply not this is the format option is shapes option is here, and this is our pictures format option is here. You can see here this is pictures tool format and draw tool format here like this, and click on this the pictures tool format. You can see, and go to the crop. You can see here this is our crop option is here, and this crop is the overall picture size on here, down it here little bit right side, or maybe increase the height, decrease the height. You can use any height on here. Simply I not make this. I'm using this shapes on pictures. You can see just like this, and I again choose the insert and go to the shapes, and I choose the shapes is rectangle shapes here over the rectangle shapes, and I draw this rectangle shape something like this. You can see maybe like this, and you can see I zoom it here and go to the shape outline and choose the make it no outline in here, and simply click on this edit point. Simply you can choose edit point, and you can see here just like this, and simply down at this point over these shapes, a little bit up it here over these shapes like this. You can see just like this, and this is little bit right side, decrease the height maybe like this. You can see just this image is the over here, and go to the shape fill color and choose the any color like here, and simply I go to the gradient and choose the simply I choose this one color, gray color, like this gray color is here like this. You can see just like this, and I go to the format and again I choose the shape fill and gradient color. You can see here, and I gradient choose the more gradient. You can see here our gradient option is here, format shapes is open here. You can choose the gradient color and click on this the preset gradient, whatever you want the preset color. Simply I choose this one color is the better now here, and again choose the any color, whatever you want the color. Simply choose color here, and you can see radial option is here. Simply I choose the linear option, and I choose this the direction, what you want the direction is option here, and simply I click this the direction option is here maybe like this. You can see I choose the click on this the point and click on this the color, whatever you want the color. Simply I make this color is here like this effect in here, and I close it. You can see just like this, and click on this the shapes, little bit manage your size, go to the format and edit point. You can see a little bit down it here like this option, also little bit down it here like this. You can see just like this, and I go to the insert and I choose the shape fill shape, and I choose the free from shapes. You can see this is our free from shapes, and click on this free from shape and draw the shapes. Click on this and click on this and drag it here maybe, and click on this the shape little bit right, and click on these shapes and change the color, whatever you want the color. Simply I choose this light black color, and no outline is here, and simply I go to the format shapes and again I choose the gradient, whatever you want the gradient color, and simply I choose this one is light color, and I choose the gradient whatever you want the gradient, and more gradient also here, and click on this the gradient, choose the color, black color, you can choose black color, and this is remove here, and drag here with the drag, and click on this the linear option, and direction is whatever you want the direction. Simply I choose this one, direction is here, drag it here like this, you can see here like this here, and close it, you can see just like this. And click on these shapes and go to the format and click on this edit point and drag it this point like this. You can see just our little bit design is ready for now. Here and click on these shapes and format, edit point, using the little bit up like this. You can see just like this here, you can see, and simply click on this insert and shapes, choose the shapes whatever you want. Simply I choose this one shapes here, and draw these shapes by holding the shift button and draw here like this, you can see just like this, little bit rotate it here like this, you can see here, and choose the color. Simply I choose the white color and make it no outline is here, and press Ctrl command to duplicate here and change the color whatever you want. Simply I choose the red color and send it backward here, and like this, little bit of it here, maybe like this, whatever you want. This is the size, I adjust the size here, maybe little bit down, and you can see little bit increase also height here and adjust the size. You can see just like this, you can see here, maybe like this, and put your pictures in this shapes here, and go to the insert and click on this pictures, simple choose the pictures, and I choose this one laptop image pictures in here. I downloaded this Google, you can easily download from this image for Google here, and you can see here pictures is open here, and click on this the format and go to the warp text. You can see here warp text and click on this the in front of text, you can see choose in front of text, and it's drag here and decrease the height whatever you want the height. I'm using this height like this, you can see, and using the shadows also here whatever you want the shadow, little bit I using this shadow like this. Now better it's here, you can see this is our shadow put here, and simply put your company's logo on here. Simply I choose the image, simply I make this logo in here and drag it here, warp text in front of text, decrease the height whatever you want here and put it here, you can see, and choose the crop whatever you crop it here. Maybe I crop this one is better now here like this, you can see here, again crop it here like this, decrease the height whatever you want height, and type your company name on here, simple, little bit increase the height maybe like this, and I go to the insert and choose the shapes, and using the shapes I'm just using this one shapes on here, you can see this shapes flowchart shapes here, you can see here this, I zoom it here and click on these shapes and draw these shapes something over the area like this, you can see, go to the insert and choose the shapes, go to the insert and click on the shapes and choose the shapes here. Simply I choose this one shapes, hexagon shapes here, and click on these shapes like this and draw these shapes something like this, and rotate it 90 degree like this here, and like this here, you can see, and increase the height whatever you want the height here like this maybe, and drop it here something like this, you can see, maybe like this, and click on this dual shapes. Click on this first red shapes, and by holding the control button and click on this, and this also click on, and little bit of it here, maybe like this one is better here, maybe like this. And you can see, click on these the shapes and press Ctrl or Command D and choose the color, whatever you want the color. Simply I choose the set color, you can see, and send it back here and put it this exactly shapes here, and increase this height by holding the shift button also here, like this, you can see, and click on this the shapes and choose the color, black color, and click on this outline, you can see here, and choose the outline color is white here. You can see just our design it here like this, you can see, and simply I click the out here and click on the shapes and make it no outline. You can see here, this is our no outline option is here like this, you can see, and little bit I increase the height, maybe like this, you can see, just you can see here. And again I go to the insert and choose the shapes and choose the rectangle shapes and draw this rectangle shapes something like this, you can see, just like this, and decrease the height maybe like this, you can see here, and click on this the edit point, edit shapes option, you can see I zoom it here and click on this the edit point here, you can see our edit point is ready for now here, and simply I zoom it here and click on this the middle line here and right click here and add point here, and this is point is the little bit up here, maybe like this, and this also little bit up here, exactly this one or this one is height same, you can see just like this, and click on this dual shapes and little bit of it here, maybe like this, something like this here, you can see little bit our design is ready for now here. And I change the color, simply I choose the red color and I go to the red color is here, make it no outline, simple, you can see just like here, and type your company name in here, simply I go to the here and I go to the insert and choose the word style, choose in first word, you can see this one word style is choose here, and simply we can see and go to the home and click on this the clear formatting option, I zoom it here and choose click on this the clear formatting and drag it here like this, and type your company name here, and simply I select here, press Ctrl A, you can see select it here and type your company name here, whatever word type on here, simply I type company name and drag it here, and choose the font size whatever you want, the font size, font style, you can using the any font size, any style, choose the font style, you can using this style, simply I choose this one font is better now here like this, and again I click on this the text and press Ctrl or Command D, duplicate it here and drag it here, and simply I type went, W-A-N-T, went, and little bit increase the height, Ctrl A, maximum I using 14 is the better now here like this, or 16, we can see 18 also better now here, like using any font style, 20 also better now here, you can see, click on this the bold like this, and press Ctrl or Command D, drag it here and type here support, support, you can see here just like this, and select it, decrease the height whatever you want the height here, maybe I using this height, and click on this shapes and choose the color, simply I choose this one red color, and this is black, it's better now here, and click on increase the height like this, and press Ctrl or Command D, drag it here and type your for your and increase the height like this and change the color red color and press Ctrl or Command D and type Mac. You can see like this and change the color. Maybe I choose the black color, drag it here, little bit increase the height, maybe 20 like this is the better now here. You can see here just like this you can see and again I make a size exactly increase the height maybe like this you can see increase this one also increase here support drag it here and this one also increase went like this you can see and Mac also increase drag it here you can see here just like this you can see maybe like this again increase the height you can using the any height here simply I here and I go to the click on this text and press Ctrl or Command D duplicate here and drag it here and simply I type here having trouble here really trouble making your like this and drag it here increase this size you can see just like here drag and put it here and change the color simply adjust this the black color and press Ctrl or Command D and change select all press Ctrl A and change the color using the red color and simply I may type Mac do what you need like this and drag here maybe like this so you can see here and simply I type here note in here simply go to the insert and choose shapes and choose the text box shapes you can see just click on this the text box shapes here you can see here and draw this text box over the area maybe like this and simply type your equals to array and simply I type this the randomly format on this Microsoft Word you can see array and rand bracket open one and bracket close only I make one paragraph on here and simply I increase this height here and little bit this one is the better now here and press Ctrl A and go to the home and click on this the center alignment here press Ctrl E also here and go to the format and again choose the shape fill color it's no fill here and shape outline also no outline is here like this you can see here and simply I make a line on here so this is neat here and click on this the shapes and choose the line you can see and draw this line whatever you want here maybe like this click on this the line shapes and drag it here like this and go to the format and outline choose outline and weight is whatever you want choose here you can see simply I choose this one weight it here and choose the color simply I choose this black color is here you can see here simply and you type your call here call contact number whatever you want here and simply I click on this text press Ctrl or Command D and drag it here and choose the color simple color white color and select all and type your call use for more detail you can see and select here and little bit center it here maybe like this you can see here just like this and press Ctrl or Command D and type your contact number on here press Ctrl A and type your 123 space 1234 space again 1 2 3, whatever you want, the type your company name, company phone number. Simple, I type this 1 2 3 4 here, and I select here, increase the font size just like this, and center alignment is the better now here. This also center alignment is the better here, and drag it here like this. You can see here just like this, and type your website on here. Press Ctrl or Command D and choose the font is the little smaller font. Choose here. Simply I choose this Calibri font and check the on bold here and type your website www.website.com. Here you can see our completely pamphlet design is ready for now. Here you can see here just like this. I hope you are understand this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.